Welcome to Accounting 101. I am Kim Rohr and I will be your instructor for the next 14 weeks. What I want to cover with this video introduction is information about me, information about the class, and go over the schedule. I have been teaching part-time here at KVCC for 18 years. I have taught Accounting 101, Accounting 109, Business 101, Business 105, Business 111, Business 121, and Business 224. I retired a year ago from teaching high school business classes, and I was a teacher for 25 years. I also have another part-time job as a merchandiser for American Greeting. I service stores in the Plainville, Otsego, and Allegan area. I've been married to my husband for 33 years. He works at USG in Otsego as a maintenance supervisor. USG is a paper plant. We have a 25-year-old son who graduated from Plainville Schools in 2015 and Davenport University with a degree in finance in 2019. Our son just got married to his college sweetheart in May. They live in Sweden as our daughter-in-law is from there. I also serve as a director on the board of directors for Arbor Financial Credit Union. I have been on the board for 12 years. It is a volunteer position, but I love serving on the board and being part of the decision-making process. In this class, we will be covering the basics of accounting. We will begin with a sole proprietorship, a one-owner company. All of our companies until Chapter 5 will be service businesses. So they will be laundromats, car washes, hair salons, delivery services, and so on that you will be working with. And then we will move to merchandising companies. We will be learning the accounting equation, debits and credits, financial statements, inventory, accounts receivable, payroll, and ethics. Some of the things we learn will pertain to your personal life, like payroll and Chapter 8, dealing with the checking account. But a lot of you are maybe taking this class for the basics of accounting, which you will learn, while others of you might be taking this class for owning your own business. And this is a really good class for that. You will learn all of the ins and outs of accounting so that when you are handed your financial statements from your accountant, that you understand them and you can look for fraud and not be taken advantage of. All right, the syllabus. This is located in Canvas. There is an orientation to Canvas, which I highly recommend that you go through if you have not used Canvas before. The link to the orientation is in the introduction section of Canvas. To log into Canvas, you'll go to canvas.kvcc.edu. Once you are in the Canvas dashboard, you will click on our class for Accounting 101. You will click on the syllabus on the left side and find the syllabus and the schedule are together for this class under syllabus. I will be honest with you and tell you that this class is going to be a lot of work. You have to work hard, complete the homework, and not procrastinate. You will spend 5 to 7 hours a week on this class. Now, the best way for us to communicate in this online class is by email. When you email, please put in the subject line either online class or CRN 10499. You can take pictures or screenshots of your work if it's not balancing, and you can send it to me. If you don't understand a transaction, email and say, I don't understand this. Tell me the problem you're working on and the date of the transaction. I will check my email during the day and on weekends. If I don't get back to you right away, just go on to another problem and I will get back to you. It could be a couple hours or it could be 15 minutes. It just depends. I will not answer emails after 9 p.m. Email me anyways. I will probably get back to you before you get up the next morning. Please never feel that you are bothering me. Since we are an online class, this is the easiest way of communicating is through email. So don't feel you're ever bothering me. Please try not to use Canvas to send messages because sometimes that can take a couple hours for them to get to me. And then it's been a long time until I can get back to you because that system doesn't update as fast. So email through KVCC does work the best. I'm also on campus at the Texas Township campus on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I have a Monday, Wednesday morning class from 8 to 9:50. And then I have Tuesday, Thursday night class from 6 to 7:50. No, I'm sorry. It's 8 to 9:50. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, and then Tuesday, Thursday is from 6 to 7:50. My office hours are listed on the syllabus, so you can come early in the morning or maybe we can make an appointment. I can stay after class. It just depends on what's going on. Or, there's the evening time as well. So just look at the syllabus and let me know, and I will be on campus so that you can stop by if you're there as well. For our reviews for the test, I usually record those and post those to Canvas in a Zoom format or in a video format. Sometimes my Zoom doesn't support working very well with my internet, so that's why I try to do it that way. But if it does work out that we can have a Zoom meeting, then that is possible. All right, we are going to hit the road running, so please make sure you have the textbook. We will be using it right away. It can be a printed version, or you can find the online version. That will work too. I'll show you what you need to know for the book in just one second. Our textbook is available at the bookstore at KVCC. It is a 3-ring binder version. If you would rather have an electronic book rather than a hard copy, you can purchase access for the ebook through the McGraw-Hill Connect, which I'll talk about in a second, or you can also get the access card through the bookstore at KVCC. Now, with the ebook through McGraw-Hill, that's who Connect is through, you can purchase that right through Canvas. If you go to the left side of Canvas and scroll down, there is a link to the McGraw-Hill Connect, and it links right to our class. And then that way you can purchase your access by typing in your access code that you get, or I'm not really sure. I think they give you the code, whatever, but then you can pay for it right then and there, or they do give you a 2-week courtesy until you have to pay too. So again, you can purchase it right from McGraw-Hill, or you can purchase the access card through the bookstore at KVCC. If you purchase the bookstore through the bookstore at KVCC, there is going to be in Canvas, in the introduction section of the homepage, there's instructions to use your access card, because you have to go to a website. They just click on the link, put in your access card, and then you're all set for the class. But again, if you do purchase Connect through McGraw-Hill, there is a 2-week courtesy, and I'll remind those of you who do that that you will have that your courtesy is coming up to pay for it. All right, so let me share my screen here for a second. And this is what our textbook looks like. It's the 25th edition of Fundamental Accounting Principles. And this is what the cover will look like too for your ebook. And it's Wild and Shaw. So if you want to order this through another outside source, you're more than welcome to, or you can get it through the KVCC bookstore. Okay, so you are also going to need access to a printer for all of our demonstration and homework papers. I will not accept homework completed on notebook paper. So all of your demo and homework papers will be located in Canvas for you to print out under each of the individual modules. And you can go to campus to print. You can use their computers in the wonderful area that we have in that commons area, or you can go downtown and print as well. You can use your local library, or you can even go to a FedEx office print and ship center, but they might charge you, I'm not really sure. I only post 1 chapter at a time, and we will begin each chapter with a demo problem to prepare you for the homework for that chapter. The demo videos are uploaded to YouTube, so you just go to your modules, you click on the demo video. Some are in 1 part, some are in 2 parts, so just whatever part, you click on the first part or the second part, depending where you're at. And then you will go ahead and work through the demo with me. Now, when you click on the demonstration, a screen's gonna pop up. Don't click in the middle, click up at the top in the gray area, because that will access the video. If you go in the middle, it'll say it's not accessible. So go up to the gray area at the top of that screen and then click on it, and you'll get right into that. Okay, so the videos will be, again, a YouTube video that I've already made, and the link will be right in Canvas during that module. These demos in our normal face-to-face class have been very successful for the 18 years that I've been teaching at Valley, and for the whole 25 years I taught high school accounting. And I did it the same way. So it's been very successful. So please access and view each of those demos for each of the chapters. Now, after you complete the video and the demo, you'll follow your schedule for the homework for the textbook. In the module section, again, for each of the chapters in Canvas, you will find the homework papers. You'll print those out. Again, no notebook paper, and complete the homework assigned. I will collect some of the homework, and other homework will be gone over for clarity. There is a link in Canvas under each of the chapters for the homework problem answers. So you can go through and correct what you need to. And if you have questions as to why maybe you got that wrong, you can email me that as well. When you upload any of your homework to Canvas, you'll need to scan your documents in. You will use either CAM Scanner, which you can get for free. It's free to all college students at camscanner.com. Do not pay for it, it's free. Or you can use notes in your iPhone, or in your Android phone, you can use the Google Drive app. You can even use the old-fashioned way and scan it on your printer if your printer has a scanner, and then upload it that way as well. Some students take pictures of their homework, but please make sure that your hands aren't in the way or there isn't a lot of background, that it's just your paper, and then convert them to your PDF. Either way, do it so that the file is PDF, not JPEG or a Pages file. To be successful in this class, you will need to view the YouTube videos that I have for you, complete the homework, upload homework through Canvas that I will be collecting, and make sure that you are checking your KVCC email and or Canvas announcements continuously through the semester. We will have 5 exams during this class. Accounting is cumulative by nature, so what we learn in Chapter 2 will build off of Chapter 1. What we learn in Chapter 3 will build off of Chapter 2, and so on. Each exam covers 2 chapters, so the first one will be 1 and 2, exam 2 will be 3 and 4, and so on. I will be collecting homework, so please make sure you turn it in on time. I'll let you know when I let you know what I'm collecting. No homework will be accepted late, so please make sure you turn in the homework on time. All homework will be due on the due date at 11:59 p.m. They all need to be a PDF file, like I mentioned. There's only a couple exceptions, and you'll see that as we get to those assignments. I grade your homework right in Canvas so that you can see what you did well on and what you need to improve on. And I try to get it graded the next day. That's one of the things that I strive to do in my in-person and online class, so that you can see right away what you did right and what you might need to work on before we take the tests. We will have a couple of fun projects dealing with ethics and researching a country of your choice. We will also complete a project using Excel or Google Sheets. The rest of the syllabus I'll let you read for yourself. I just wanted to highlight the main parts of the syllabus. Please pay close attention to the academic dishonesty section as you are reading the syllabus, because I don't put up with cheating. I know when you're cheating, so don't buy Chegg answers, don't buy Course Hero, don't look at other videos and follow their videos on YouTube. Please just do the work, watch my videos, complete the homework, ask questions, and you'll be just fine. Now, the schedule is also located in Canvas under the syllabus, and if you would pull that up on your computer, or if you've already printed it, get that out. The date column is the date you should be working on currently, and then the classwork is what we'll be doing for the chapter, and then the homework column is what you'll need to complete. So let me share my screen with you, and I will show that with you as well. Okay, so all right, so with our schedule, this is what it looks like. You'll see that this is your date column. This is what we'll work on for the class, and then this is your homework or assignments. Now, for September 7th through the 9th, you should be watching this video, looking through the course schedule and syllabus, getting ready for class, and then there is going to be a student introduction for you to complete as well. September 12th through the 18th, we start Chapter 1. You'll read Chapter 1. These are your quick study homeworks, exercises, problems, and then you'll read Chapter 2. The 19th through the 21st, we do the first half of chapter 2. That's your homework. September 22nd through the 30th, we do the second half of chapter 2, and then that's your homework. September or October 1 through 3, we review for the first exam. We take the first exam October 3rd, and then you'll notice that serial problem 2 is due as well, and then there's some other work here too. So that's pretty much how this works. Again, this is the date that we will work on stuff. This is what we're working on, and then this is your homework. You'll see I have some due dates in here as well. All of your exams are all located here. Our last date of class, exam 5, will be on December 15th. And then also we do have some time off for Thanksgiving here as well. So, so with all of that, just follow the schedule, make sure that you are doing that part of it. Okay, so okay, so let me go back and I want to show you where your homework is located in your textbook, if you have the ebook or if you have the regular 3-ring printed version, I'll say. So this is what your homework looks like. We do quick studies, exercises, and problems. So with your quick studies, you'll do quick study 1, 2, and then we have quick study 1, 6, and 1, 7. And then we have quick study 112. And then we bump over to the exercise section, exercise 1, 2. And then we have, then we bump into exercise 1, 7. And then we have, I got these all out of order here. Hold on a second. And then I think that's it for that. And then we work on problem 1-7A. We only do the A problems. So you do have a problem section. You'll notice too that there are some check figures in red for your problem. So use those, they help a lot. So there's 2 parts to this. And then for problem 1-9A, there's the first part. And then here's the second page of that as well. Again, some check figures. We do not do the analysis component, so you can skip that as well. And then problem 111A. Again, we do the A problems. We don't do anything with the B problems. And then when we get to some other parts like the ethics, I'll show you that as well. Now, again, on your schedule, you probably noticed too, this is what your homework packet will look like. Once you print it out, it gives you, all the space. We're pretty picky in our accounting world, so I give you the forms that you need to fill out for that. And again, you'll notice that you had for your homework, you had quick study 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 7, and 1, 12, exercise 1, 2, and 1, 7. Then you have problem 1-7A, 1-9A, and 1-11A. No statement of cash flows for any of those. So quick study 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. You're only responsible for quick study 1-2 from this page, so only do that one. Then the next page you have quick study 1-4, 1-5, 1-6, and 1-7. You're only going to do 1-6 and 1-7, okay? Then you have quick study 112, that's here on the schedule, and you'll only do quick study 112, nothing else on this page unless you want to, that's totally up to you. For the exercises again, you had exercise 1, 2, and 1-7. So here's 1, 2, part A and B. And then exercise 1-7 is down here at the bottom. Then for problem 1-7A, I give you the work for that. You'll understand this more once you get through chapter 1. And then the financial page, remember no statement of cash flows. And then problem 1-9A here is the work that you'll need for the accounting equation work for problem 1-9A. And then the financials go here. And then the last problem was 1-11A, and you'll just do that here. That works with our first ratio on return on assets. So again, you'll only do what's listed in your homework section, and I do go over this again when you get done with chapter 1 demo. We do have that as well. Okay, so we went through all of that. Now, time management and planning is super important in this class. The schedule has all of the due dates and what to work on and when. And in Canvas, there is a calendar as well with the due dates listed, and the assignments section in Canvas has the due dates as well. It's really imperative that you have some type of planner or looking at that calendar and schedule continuously throughout the semester. We will have our first test, like I mentioned, on October 3rd, which you will take online. You will only have one day to take the test. And I get a lot of complaints about this because I know it's an online class, but allowing the test to be only open for one day alleviates cheating. So it opens at 12 a.m., closes at 11:59 p.m. You need basically a 2-hour block to take the test. You get an hour and 50 minutes. I'll explain more about this when we get to exam 1. There is a review that will be available that says exactly what's going to be on the test. And then, like I said, we'll either have a Zoom session for the review, or I'll just record it and put it up in Canvas. So that's all I have to go over with you for the class. Please, please, please email if you have any questions about anything as we begin the class or during the class. That's going to be our best way to communicate. I look forward to working with all of you, but please, please, please make sure that if you have questions or need help, that you ask. I'm not sure about tutoring yet, and she did do this virtually and in person, but I saw it posted that they're looking for another accounting tutor, so I wondered if our current tutor is gone, but I'll let you know if there's tutoring available. But again, I'm here to help. And I want you to be successful in the class, and I do look forward to working with all of you. Thank you, and I look forward, like I said, with working all of you and having a great semester.